Hello, welcome to the Birds of Forest Lake. This video is based on photos that I took during a walk around the lake in February of 2022. Some of the birds were enjoying seeds thrown to them by an elderly man who had a bag full of seed that he was throwing to them. This Australian white ibis decided that it didn't like me being so close, and it flew off to the trees across the water to where all of the birds were nesting or just resting in the trees. That black bird on the branch next to where the ibis just landed would be a black cormorant. There was a huge variety of birds on this walk and they were being very active, so there's lots of photos. I won't do a lot of talking in this video because I'm having so many issues with recording my voice. In the cities, we are accustomed to seeing the plovers nesting on or near grassy footpaths, but their preferred nesting location is beside the water in wetlands. They've got spurs on their wings and they're very aggressive when they're protecting their nests or their chicks. There were quite a lot of cockatoos on the ground eating on this occasion, and others were high up in the treetops keeping watch for predators so that the ones on the ground wouldn't get caught unawares. They've got a very raucous, grating sort of a call. Provided you don't get too close to them, they seem to consider that humans are just a part of the furniture. They keep an eye on you, but they don't worry if you don't get too close. And now I've come across a group of swamp hens with chicks. Suddenly there was a dusky moorhen being chased by another dusky moorhen. Got a few pictures, no time for video. These birds are very small and their toes are extraordinarily long, so they are able to run around on top of the lily pads easily. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed it, a like would be greatly appreciated. Bye bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.